In the forest, a steady rhythm breaks the silence. This is the woodpecker. It strikes wood at incredible speed, its skull built to absorb the impact. Listening for life beneath the bark, it feeds and in doing so, protects the forest. What sounds like noise is nature in balance. According to standard bird checklists and forest/bird survey teams reporting on Bhutan's bird fauna, Bhutan has about 16 to 19 woodpecker species recorded, family Pisidae, that occur within the country's forests and woodlands.